Maybe. See you in stacks.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be making spaghetti here using these ingredients. Guess what? I bought this frying pan from Michelangelo and I've been waiting for the arrival. Please join me to unbox it. Right, I've been waiting for this for almost a week now. Wow, look at this. Let's put it down here. Oh my goodness. Wow. It also has a lid. Wow. Please join me as I show you step by step on how to make this spaghetti. Thanks for watching.
Here is our ingredients that we're going to be using today to make our spaghetti for the weekend for families and friends. And this is our ingredients: tomatoes, choke, carrots, onions, parsley, ginger, garlic, as well as extra virgin oil, oregano, and then coriander. Keep watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, share with families and friends. As it's a nice weekend. Thank you. Now I'm putting some butter inside with the extra virgin oil. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of fish seasoning to my salmon. Now the salmon is going in.
Right, so in a pot of boiled water, I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. And some oil. You can add any oil of your choice, olive oil. Now my spaghetti will be going in. So the spaghetti will cook for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, our salmon is ready. See how crispy it is. Okay. See? Salmon is ready.
Getting the tomatoes ready. Who have the habit of eating tomatoes while cooking? I'm one of them.
Yes. My garlic is going in. A little bit of ginger. Onions. My tomato is going in now. And fresh plum. Here I'm going with some seasoning. Oregano. Salt to taste. And liquid Maggi to give you a taste. Some black pepper. Now I'm adding a little bit of Scotch bonnet hot pepper.
Alright, the spaghetti is ready now. I'm just going to pour it here to drain it.
Putting some cream, my chopped carrots, cheese. See how colorful it is. Yeah, the spaghetti is going in now. The parsley is going in now. However, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Please don't forget to like, share with family and friends. Guys, our spaghetti is ready. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of lemon. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then hit the like button. Please hit the button for us. Thanks so much.